Is your 1999-2002 GMC Sierra key fob not working reliably or not at all? The most common cause is a dead battery. Replacing it is a simple DIY task that can save you time and money compared to going to a mechanic. This video will guide you through each step. Your GMC Sierra key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This small round battery powers the remote functions like lock, unlock, and panic button. The CR2032 has specific dimensions, a diameter of 20 millimeters and a thickness of 3.2 millimeters. It provides 3 volts and uses lithium chemistry to ensure long-lasting power and prevent corrosion. This is a very common battery type, readily available at most drugstores, supermarkets, auto parts stores, and online retailers. Make sure to purchase a quality brand like Duracell or Energizer for best results and to prevent leakage that could damage the key fob. You won't need any specialized tools for this job. All you need is a small flathead screwdriver or a coin like a penny or dime to gently pry open the key fob case. Locate the seam on your key fob. It's usually on the back or side. Insert the flathead screwdriver or coin into the seam and gently twist. The case should pop open. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damaging the plastic. Once the case is open, carefully remove the old battery. Pay close attention to the orientation. The positive plus side should be facing up. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation. Incorrect orientation will prevent the fob from working. Align the two halves of the key fob case carefully, ensuring the buttons and edges match up properly. Now gently snap the two halves back together, applying even pressure around the edges until they click into place. Make sure the case is securely closed by pressing firmly along the seam and checking for any gaps. Finally, test the fob near your GMC Sierra. Press the lock and unlock buttons to ensure the doors respond correctly. Proper disposal of the old lithium battery is essential. Lithium batteries contain hazardous materials that can harm the environment if not handled correctly. These batteries can be recycled to recover valuable materials like lithium and cobalt for new battery production. Follow proper recycling guidelines to contribute to environmental sustainability. To extend the life of your key fob, avoid dropping it or exposing it to extreme temperatures. These actions can damage internal components and shorten battery life. By following proper disposal practices and care tips, you can keep your 1999-2002 GMC Sierra's key fob working reliably for years to come.